walls. Well, I raise up my eyes to the heavens above. Dear Lord, we will never despair. Well, if I could only tell you just how beautiful it was, holy mountain with the light of all ages. Stone walls dancing, flaming sets that blazed in the skies, as if the heavens came down in great rejoicing. Well, if I could only tell you just how beautiful it was, holy mountain with the light of all ages. Stone walls dancing, flaming sets that blazed in the skies, as if the heavens came down in great rejoicing. Open up, open up all your gates, Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, let me in. Open up all your gates, Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, let me in. Open up, open up, taking a walk through our ancient city streets to see what could be found there, where the righteous of all contemplating his name, drawing light from his highest abode. Well, if I could only tell you just how awesome it was, like an orchard of trees and sweet fruit. Well, the word holiness was heard all around, and the song of his unity abound. Well, if I could only tell you just how awesome it was, like an orchard of trees and sweet fruit. Well, the word holiness was heard all around, and the song of his unity abound. Open up, open up, open up all your gates, Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, let me in. Open up all your gates, Yerushalayim, Yerushalayim, let me in. Open up, Spill a tear for how much you didn't know. Take a moment to dream of the ancient holy place where God's temple will soon stand tall. Well, if I could only tell you just how wondrous it was at the home that God calls very own, where all men take refuge from east, west, far and wide, they would never you'll be there. Well, if I could only tell you just how wondrous it was at the home that God calls